Hello friends, welcome to TNG Skill Center. Today we will play the chapter of 10th class, The Solitary Reaper. The theme of the poem is the poem. The Solitary Reaper is the story of the poet's walk in Highlands of Scotland, where he heard the song of solitary gull. The song impressed itself on his memory. Everlasting beauty and sorrow are the two major themes of the poem. The poem presents two things: the labor of the girl and her expression of sorrow. She is working and shining at the same time without being bothered about her surroundings. The poet is deeply impressed by the enchanting sweet voice of the girl. The girl's song has profound effect on the poet. The song remains a dear memory for the poet long afterwards.
Behold her single in the field, when solitary highlands lays, reaping and singing by herself. Stop her or gently pass.
While passing through the Highlands of Scotland, the poet sees a young girl reaping and singing alone. He tells the passers-by to stop there to enjoy the music or go away slowly without disturbing her.
स्कॉटलैंड उपत्यका मध्य गति करुवा समय कवि गोटे तरुणी शस्य काटुथिबार ओ गीत गाउथिबार देखुछंती। से अन्य पथिक मानक संगीतटी को उपभोग करने रहिबाको कहउछंती एवं ताकू व्याघात न करी धीर स्थिर भाव में गति करबाको कहउछंती। Along she cuts and binding the grain and sings a melancholy strain. Oh, listen, for the valley profound is overflowing with the sound.
She cuts and binds the grains alone. She is also singing a sad song. The whole deep, wide valley is overflowed with the reaper's song.
से झीटी एकाकी शस्य गुड़िक काटुची तथा बांधुची। से मध्य गोटे दुखदपूर्ण गीत गाउची। बालिकार संगीतर समग्र प्रशस्त उपत्यकाटी उछुलुची पड़ुची। No nightingale did every chance more welcome not to where we bands of travelers in some shady haunts among Arabian sands.
The melodious song of the girl is sweeter than that of a nightingale who sings pleasant songs to the tired travelers in the cool and shady places of the Arabian sands. The hearts of the tired travelers are filled with joy to hear the nightingale's welcome notes, but the girl's song surpasses the bird's song in sweetness.
झीटीर सुमधुर संगीत नाइटेंगेल पक्षीर स्वर ठारू मधुरतार जहाँकि आरब मरुभूमि थिबा शीतल छायाप्रद स्थानगुड़िकर क्लांत पथिक मानक तार मनमुग्धकर संगीत शुणाई थाए। नाइटेंगेल पक्षीर सुमधुर स्वर क्लांत पथिक मानकर हृदय को आनंदरे परिपूर्ण कर दिए, मात्र मधुरतार झीटीर संगीत पक्षीर संगीत ठारू टपी जाए। A voice so thrilling never was in springtime for the cuckoo bird, breaking the silence of the sea among the farthest Hebrides.
The sweet voice of the cuckoo in spring is no doubt heart-touching, but the voice of the girl is more thrilling than that of the cuckoo, which breaks the silence of the sea among the very far group of islands.
बसंत ऋतु कोइलीर मधुर स्वर हृदय स्पर्शी, मात्र झीटीर स्वर कोइली ठारू अधिक रोमांचकर, जे कि अति दूर थिबा समुद्रर द्वीपपुंज गुड़िकर नीरवता भंग करिथाए। Will no one
can't tell me what she sing. Perhaps for plaintive numbers flow, for old unhappy, for of things and battles long ago.
The poet fails to understand the theme of the girl's song. He asks other to tell him what the girl is singing. Then he himself imagines that it is a sad song related to some old unhappy events of past or the battles which were fought long ago.
कवि झीटीर गीतर कथावस्तु बुझाक असमर्थ। झीटी कौन गाँच बोली अन्य मानक पचारुंट तापर से निजे अनुमान करुंट जे यह एक पुरातन दुखद घटना संपर्कित करुण संगीत किंबा बहुदिन तले संगठित होइथिबा युद्ध उपर आधारित।
Or is it some more humble, familiar matter of today, some natural sorrow, loss or pain that has been and may be again?
The poet guesses that it might refer to some familiar day-to-day matter. Further, he apprehends that it might be related to natural calamity, loss or pain that happened or may happen in future.
कवि अनुमान करुछंती जे यह एक नित्यदिनिया घटना उपर आधारित। पुनश्च से आशा करुछंती यह हुए तो एक प्राकृतिक विपर्यय क्षति बा जंत्रणा उपर आधारित जहा कि घटी जाइछि अथवा भविष्य रे घटिबो।
Whatever the then they mating song, as if her song could have not ending, I say her singing at her work, and over the seeking be bending.
The poet says whatever the theme of the song may be, but it seems as if her song had no ending. He saw her singing while reaping the grains, bending over sickle.
कवि कहते गीतटीर कथावस्तु जहाँ हेउना कहीं मात्र तार गीतटीर सते जेपरी शेष नथिला। से झीटी दाटी को नुआई दे शस्य काटुथिबा समय गीत गाई चलीथिला।
I listen motionless and still, and all the mountain of the hill, the music in my heart I broke, long after it was heard no more.
The poet listened to the girl's song standing there silently. Then he started climbing on the hill. The girl's song echoed again and again in his heart, even though he could hear it no more. The melodious song of the girl had left an everlasting impression on his mind.
कवि सेठारे नीरवरे छिड़ा होई झीटीर गीतटी को शुणिथिले। तापर से पर्वतारोहण आरंभ करथिले। झीटीर गीतटी तांको हृदय बारंबार प्रतिध्वनित होइथिला, जदिओ से ताहाको शुणी पारु नथिले। झीटीर सुमधुर गीतटी तांको मनरे गोटिए सुदूर प्रसारी प्रभाव पकाइथिला।